time recording, and you're in my video. I'm trying to get a racing video going here. And you...
Yeah, we're filming a racing video. Come on. Yeah.
Hey, get out the way.
Hey.
Yo, let him record.
They all want to be in it, bro. Fuck it. You going on YouTube?
Hold on. No, we're going to be famous. Be behind us. We're on the video.
350Z on tires. I want to go for a test ride in this. Okay. Takes me down memory lane. Most of y'all who don't know, I actually came from the Nissan platform. I still have the 350 down in Florida. Same motor. Blew about 3 of these, and then now I'm doing the LS swap on it. Man, I miss it. This is pretty much what I grew up on right here.
You're right, passenger.
Hey, walk down memory lane. I like it. Let me get the interior. Ah, please don't kill me. Does it hook? I mean, it should with the tires. Yeah. Where's the scat pack at? So we're about to line up the Nissan with the scat pack right here. I got one on the Nissan. Y'all trying to gamble? Y'all trying to gamble?
What Nissan?
The one on tires? But he said he just started driving stick though, so if he lose, I'm gonna have to drive it for him. Yes, sir. And let me go find the GTI. See what the GTI looking like. So what's onto the GTI?
It's a Golf R. I used to have.
Oh my bad. What's the difference?
It's all-wheel drive, bigger turbo, better internal.
Okay, but the GTI is not all-wheel drive?
No.
Ah, okay. Oh, we got a pet over there.
So it's essentially full bolt-on, 93.
Okay.
It's got a stage 2 from APR too. It's kind of old. It's like 6 years old. So
Yeah.
It hasn't been revised. It does what it needs to do.
Okay.
We'll see what it does tonight, though.
We'll see what it does tonight. What's your hypothesis on this run? You think you get him top end?
We'll see. I don't know. I've heard he's not that fast with the shipper.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, he said he's been driving stick for like 3 weeks. So if he loses to you, I'm gonna hop in the driver's seat because I'm not taking that. Not on my watch. Okay. Carbon fiber intake.
Yeah, it's intake.
Yeah.
Turbo inlet, downpipe, intercooler, stock location.
93 pump.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
That's it.
All right. Let's do it. Ooh. So who's it tuned by?
MRD.
Who? MRD. No, you fine. It's a race car. Let's let it heat. Moves. Definitely moves. I like it. It missed 5th, but until then it was like door to door, and then he started pulling the GTI actually. So yeah.
Hey Chris, are you doing a roll?
It's gonna be C7 versus GT500. Okay, so we're in the Shelby GT500. What year is this?
21.
21. Sheesh. And I'm guessing you've done lower, upper?
No, just upper.
Just upper?
Just
Okay.
upper. It's, if I'm correct, 6.8, so it's not the smallest pulley. I can go smaller.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Full exhaust. Not ported. It's tuned by Injected Engineering out of Georgia.
Definitely sounds good. That's a lot of bikes, man.
It is.
It's just like one within to worry about. Golly.
Yeah, last time we raced, they were all in the way.
Yeah, I bet. talking like 17, 18 pounds of boost?
Yes.
Okay, wow.
Yes.
I'm a good guesser. That or he just lying and just agreeing.
Or I just have no idea.
Yeah. So how do you feel about this race? Like, I feel like you're definitely gonna get him top end. Maybe even low end too, because your shit definitely hooks and moves.
That is true, but I used to have a C7, so I know that in that weight, and he's a skilled driver mod, and this and that, whatever. So he's used to his car. I've only had my car for like maybe 7 months. So.
Okay. Gap ties.
We'll see.
What do you mean we'll see?
Yeah, no, listen. Reaper is not no slouch.
Yeah.
His car is fast.
I actually have not seen that car run, so I'm pretty interested to see how it goes.
Research. I can't find shit.
Do you think he'd be a better run with the fucking Eco Boost over there?
No. I think he will burn Eco Boost pretty badly.
Okay.
I think he's in he's in the league. He's fast. I don't think Eco Boost is that fast.
Okay.
Right now, I've yet to see Eco Boost really run same time, and he's just slowly walking. But for you, it's like instant power.
Yeah.
Right? Anything can go around me.
Okay.
So I don't get no shit on his car.
Right. I feel you. Watch the bike though. I don't know what 50, 60, 50, 55, 55. I think that's good right there, right? Yeah. What was that, 200?
Like 180.
Because y'all was fucking not letting up.
Nah, because I want to race free.
Right. Give me a second here. Damn.
Just want to go with the guy you want to do.
Huh?
What you gonna do?
I don't know.
Dude, I was not expecting this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Just got across just in time.
I wouldn't have been worried about it, say, like it was like a semi-built EVO, but I'm just like, yeah.
Dude, this is like
Yeah.
traffic so vivid. Is it gutted? No way.
No, I see some seats back there.
It's cool down. Not 1,000 cars out here now.
Yeah. Yeah. The I think that was actually your boy doing the fucking donuts over there with the
My boy?
Yeah.
Not our boy.
Yeah, our boy.
We don't do that shit.
Not any of our boys.
Yeah.
Really?
What car was it? What boy?
The 240.
Nope, that's not our
Oh,
guy.
I know him.
Oh, I
Not
thought
really.
shit. I thought because it just seemed like wherever you go, he goes. So I just thought y'all was like close friends or whatever.
No.
Wherever I go, he goes?
Yeah, because remember like when I first met you over on the other side of town, he was there too.
Oh, yeah. Nah, not really. I mean, he just goes out and I
Yeah.
go out. And I like know him and I talk.
He said, "My boy." I was like, "Oh, well, this is awkward."
Not like a core.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
cool
no,
boy,
no.
you know, like
No,
we
you're good.
Grab each other.
Yep. Let's do a dig. Right?
Hold on. Hold on.
Outside now, you won't have to drain it ever again because it just drains itself. Wait, what's this right here? Wait, I'm tripping. Never mind. I saw something shiny. I thought it was that. It was like an actual boat.
Yeah, it's like a little copper looking thing.
Bro, did you hear that again?
That's what it was over there then.
Yeah.
Probably the exhaust just copper and shit.
Why are you making that face at me, bro? I don't know. He's looking at me like, what the fuck, bro? Hey, wake up. We're here. We're here.